Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can uninstall a program using Revo Uninstaller. So first you have to just download this and install it into your PC, and then you can just simply open it. Now here you just need to look for the program or the software that you want to uninstall. So I can just quickly look for the software that I want to uninstall. So the software that I want to uninstall is the WeChat. So once you find the software, you just need to right click on the software, click on the uninstall. And if you want a system restore point, then you can check this box. So I recommend you to uncheck this because you don't need it. I also don't need it. Click on the continue. Then here you can just simply check the advanced. By checking the advanced will uninstall the WeChat complete uninstall the program completely from your PC. And then you can simply click on the scan option you are seeing. Then it is scan for the all the files, all the registries related to the WeChat or the program that you want to uninstall onto your PC. So now first it will give you all the registry items, leftover registry item, like so. Here you are seeing the keys are the 8 found and the values are the 22 found. So these are all the registry. Click on the select all, click on the delete, click on the yes. So now it will give you all the leftover folders or the files. And here you will see the folders are the 63 found and the files are the 241 found. And don't worry, these are all the files or the folders related to the program that you want to uninstall. Click on the select all, click on the delete, and just delete these all. So once you delete, then now the program is completely uninstalled from your PC. And guys, this is how you can uninstall the program using the Revo Uninstaller. And if you find this video helpful, so please make sure to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.